Welcome back to eSIM Studios. My name is Taylor Bell. Let's get into, so there's a new issue that popped up with some Galaxy S25 series devices. Some issues that kind of surprised me, quite honestly. I have had zero issues with the charging, but apparently some people, numerous people online expressing their displeasure and reporting slow or interrupted charging speeds. I did show y'all my phone was charging technically, well, it was pulling in more amps, like 8.2 amps to the S25 Ultra from my Samsung charger and high amperage charging cable. So I'm not sure why people are having this issue. So users are reporting slow or interrupted charging speeds despite using compatible chargers and cables, even Samsung's own 45-watt charger. So while the issue does not affect the base Galaxy S25 model, affected users have found that disabling fast charging in the settings provides consistent but slower charging. Samsung's Italian Twitter account acknowledged the problem and promised a future software update to resolve it, recommending using the included 3 amp charging cable in the meantime for more stable charging instead of the provided 5 amp cable that comes with the S25 Ultra. Yeah, this charging problem is definitely unusual, right? Given the consistent charging specifications across the board for the S25 series and even the flagship models in the past, right? I've never seen this problem pop up, but if you are a user that is having charging issues, go into settings and turn off fast charging. Sucks, but gotta wait for this update that's taken forever. I don't know where it is. Should hit our devices by now, but it is nowhere to be found. If you get the update or if you have a charging problem, comment it down below. Let me know. I want to know how many people this is affecting, right? So check this out.